Light up a room simply by walking in and control the intensity by the time of day, such as a gentle, warm nightlight to help you navigate your home at night. Battery-powered, wireless and installation-free, this Hue Motion Sensor requires the Hue Hub, sold separately, to work, connecting to your Hue system with control via the Philips Hue App. Place it anywhere in your home including your hallway, bathroom, kitchen, and more. The integrated light sensor saves energy by detecting when rooms are vacant and automatically turning off lights. Make it part of your Hue home lighting system with Hue accessories, sold separately, such as the Hue Tap or Hue Motion Sensor. Control by voice with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Connect it with your Nest or Samsung SmartThings system. Each kit includes one Hue Motion Sensor with 2 AAA alkaline batteries, a magnet, screws, a manual, and a 2-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great motion sensor for Hue light systems. Easy to install, works great. The motion sensor does have a pretty good angle, but it is limited, so you may have trouble if you put it at the bottom of a stairway and expect it to work both going up and down. I found that with a little experimentation, you can make it work. I like all the options the Hue app provides for how long the light should stay on, etc. There are a ton of uses for a motion sensor like this. It's really worth getting at least one to see how it works. Closets, rooms with hard-to-find light switches, etc. It's been great so far and I am already looking for places to put more of these sensors.